Hello, Joe Legato here from Bill & Rod's Appliance in Livonia, Michigan, and I want to say thank you to every single person who's supported us for the last couple of months as we've navigated our way through the COVID-19 pandemic. Together we've been able to keep our showroom safe, and you've worked with us to keep your home safe as we've come through to service and install your appliances. So thank you for working with us and being patient as we've been trying to figure out where we stand right now. We are trying to get back up to full speed, and we appreciate your continued patience. To help serve you better, we will be expanding our hours from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Saturday for the month of June. And as we continue to work our way through this, we just continue to ask for your patience and your understanding as we try to serve our community as the best of our ability. So thank you again for coming out and supporting us. Please continue to wear your mask as you come to our store and practice safe distancing throughout. We'll continue to clean our appliances and keep our showrooms safe as possible, and also as we come out to your home to be as safe as possible. So thank you again, and we will see you when you need us.